Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Terraform Cloud for your infrastructure workflows. Detailed guide step by step clearly. First, navigate to the Terraform Cloud website. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, click on the Create Organization button. Enter your organization name and select the appropriate billing plan. After creating your organization, you will be directed to the dashboard. From the dashboard, click on Workspaces. Select New Workspace to create a new workspace for your project. Give your workspace a descriptive name that relates to your infrastructure. Choose between version control or CLI-driven workflow depending on your preference. For version control, connect your GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket account. Select the repository containing your Terraform configuration files. Set up the workspace variables as needed for your environment. Click on Create Workspace to finalize the setup. Now navigate to the Settings tab within your workspace. Adjust the settings according to your requirements, like enabling detailed logs. Next, go to the Variables section to configure environment and Terraform variables. Add sensitive variables securely, using the toggle for sensitive data. Once your variables are set, proceed to the Notifications tab. Add any integrations you want, such as Slack for deployment notifications. Return to the Workspace main page and click on Queue Plan to initiate a plan run. Review the plan details presented and confirm if everything looks good. Finally, click Confirm and Apply to apply your changes to your infrastructure. Monitor the progress of the apply in the workspace viewing logs. Congratulations, you have successfully enabled Terraform Cloud for your infrastructure workflows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.